There's something calming about the way colors merge on paper, like the noise of the week slowly fading away. Hi, this is Suleman from Artocrafter. Today I'm sketching this old Sydney bottle shop, a small corner I pass often but never really stop to look at. The structure itself is simple, but the way the light and shadows play on it really tells a cozy weekend story. And since it's a sunny afternoon, you get that lovely, relaxed feeling in the scene. I have already laid down a light pencil sketch, and now I'm going in directly with my fountain pen. I actually love this stage. The lines are not perfect, but that looseness, that's what brings the sketch to life. I'm laying in the sky with French Ultramarine. I'm keeping the brush moving so the wash stays fresh, and I'm leaving a few bits of paper white for soft clouds. Now the greenery. This is the fun bit, and I keep it wet on wet so it feels lush. I'm letting colors mingle right on the paper, no overmixing on the palette, so I don't lose that fresh organic look. The sunlight is quite strong this afternoon, so the shadows are deep and crisp. What I love about afternoon light is the rhythm it creates. Bright, dark, bright again. These alternating tones pull your eye through the scene. Without shadows, even the best color feels flat. But with them, the sketch suddenly has dimension and a sense of time. When I paint shadows, I always think about their temperature. Closer to the light source, they stay warmer. Farther away, they turn cooler and softer. Now I'm adding more greenery to balance the warmth of the walls. I'm working wet on wet here, letting the greens blend softly into the earlier layers. It creates that feeling of light filtering through leaves. Unpredictable but beautiful. Now I'm adding the shadows beneath the greenery, those subtle, darker tones that truly shape the scene. In this strong afternoon light, they describe how thick and full the leaves are, and how they cast cool shadow on the warmth of the wall. The last layer of shadows, just enough to enhance the depth and tie the whole piece together. These final touches are subtle, but they make all the difference. I'm deepening the shadows under the awning, around the window frames, at the base of the wall, and beneath the greenery, so the light feels stronger and more focused. At this stage, I'm adding the signs and the details on the windows. A few stickers, some small ads, the kind of things that give this building its own character. Today's watercolor, a small moment of light and shadow captured on paper. I hope this sketch brought you a bit of calm and maybe inspired you to pick up your brush and create something for yourself. If you'd like to see more like this, you can tap it here to watch next. And if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe and join me in more watercolor moments like this.